Another Christmas haul. So yeah, I bought a bunch of ornaments from Dollar Tree and some from Walmart. Starting with Dollar Tree, I got fake candy canes, and then I got some white snowflakes, white glittery snowflakes, some silver, and some transparent ones. And then I got reindeer, glittery reindeer, a white snowy pine cone, glittery trees. I also got a sled, and then I got this little ornament. Yeah, I thought the plaid was really cute and stuff. Yeah, and then at Walmart I got this glittery snowman. Wow, we have a bunch of snowmen and a bunch of glittery stuff. So I got gold glittery bells and a gold bird, dove. I don't know what kind of bird it is. Probably a dove. And another gold glittery ornament, and it is the Eiffel Tower. I've never been there, but I'd love to visit Paris someday. And then this is, I believe, Big Ben. But yeah, I want to visit London as well. I also got the bus for it. And then I got a red Christmas tree, a silver angel, a Santa Claus. Wow, my hand's like literally full of glitter. Anyways. Then I got this like wreath thing. Instead of like strings or hooks, it has like a clip-on thing. So you just clip it on to your tree. And yeah, I think this is a dove, but yeah, another bird. And then I got this train, a big present, and I think this is a cake, but looks like presents. So another glittery ornament. And then I really like this one. It's just a candy cane that is shaped into a heart, and the white is all glittery, and then the red is all solid. And last but not least, this is probably my favorite ornament. I got this little gondola, and it's like all the windows like frosted and snowy, and then there's a pole inside too where you can like hang on to when you go into a gondola. But yeah, I thought this was really cool. So yeah, this is my favorite ornament so far. So yeah, that's all that I got from Dollar Tree and Walmart. Hope you enjoyed this little Christmas ornament haul, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye! It's like snow is falling and friends are calling you.